It's Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026, and welcome back to another weather update video on the upcoming winter systems and possible severe weather and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be talking about. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I want to talk about today is the cold temperatures. We're going to start off with the temperatures. We're going to have a Arctic blast come this week. It's going to be pretty significant. It's going to be might be another memorable Arctic blasts. So this one is going to be a cold one. It's going to be very cold. You can see it will come down. So we'll have like this little Arctic blast right here. But then if we fast forward up to the one I was talking about right here, around February 6th, we're going to have this cold air dive down from Canada straight into the United States. You can see right here. Look at all this cold air. This will just go into mainly parts of the eastern United States, and this will bring a clipper with it as well, and cause some cold temperatures for a lot of places after February 6th. But if we fast forward even more, it could actually start warming up, but then there's a chance that we'll see another Arctic blast come down around Valentine's Day. So that's what the temperatures are looking like. You can see right here. There's some very below average temperatures. Like I think Pennsylvania will be getting like very below average temperatures with the next Arctic blast that we'll have around February 6th through 8th. So we're gonna have very cold temperatures for a lot of you guys in the parts of the eastern United States for a long time. Because see right here, let's fast forward up to the 6th. Look at that Arctic blast. It will be pretty below average. So make sure to be prepared for this Arctic blast, and make sure your outdoor pets have unfrozen water and a warm, dry shelter. So that's what the temperatures are looking like. And we still had our first freeze warnings in Florida since like 1980 something. A while, like yesterday and the days before that, because we had cold air go like far down south into Florida. So Florida got its first freeze warning since like 1989 or something. So that is pretty crazy. So let's talk about the snow that we are expecting. So I want to talk about today's snow first, and then we'll jump into the other snow that we're expecting. But I just want to talk about the snow today first. So you can see there's actually a chance for some thunderstorms down there, but we'll talk about the snow first. So you can see this is what it looks like right now. We have some snow down here in parts of Indiana and Ohio, and we got some rain down here trying to develop. Those could turn into thunderstorms. But if we fast forward this, you can see that we can actually see some decent snow develop over here and cause some snow in some of those areas. And then it will move. This will probably move down into parts of North Carolina, maybe even South Carolina, and we'll see a little bit of snow in Virginia and up there towards Philadelphia. So we're expecting to see some snow out of this, but it's nothing crazy. We'll also have like more like, heavy snow bands. So you can see right here, we're going to see some areas we'll be seeing like more heavy snow than others, other than light snow. So that's what this is looking like. But if we go down here, down south, we are expecting some thunderstorms to develop. Not severe, though. We're not expecting them to be severe. But we could see some lightning and maybe a few rumbles down here in parts of Louisiana and Houston. Even over here towards Alabama, we could be seeing some rain. Over here is mainly going to be rain. And there's a risk for thunderstorms down here. So that's what's going on. So that's why we got this general risk for thunderstorms. So just be prepared for some thunderstorms if you live in this area. So that's why we got that. So that's what's going on with the weather that we're having today. But let's see what we could be seeing even more into the future. So here we are on the GFS Future Radar. This will show us what's coming up in a pretty long time from now. And I think it goes up until like February 18th. So it becomes uncertain around that time. But here we are. This is the GFS radar. So looks like we're going to have that snowstorm right there. And then we can have a clipper come down around February 6th. This is the thing I was talking about. It's going to take down that Arctic blast that I was talking about earlier. It's going to take this clipper with it, okay? It's going to take this clipper with it. And there will be a pretty strong low pressure system. And that will bring some of that snow down there. And we could see some snow up here in the northeast as it moves up there. So same time around the Arctic blast. Fast forward to even more. Could see some snow develop up here around February 11th. Cause some snow up there. And anything after this, it kind of like around February 15th. We're watching this. This is pretty uncertain. We don't know if that's gonna happen. Then we fast forward even more. It's still showing some pretty big winter storms that are going to be a possibility throughout February. So that's what's going on right now. So that's the future radar for the United States. If we do check out the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center, we are expecting some above average temperatures in parts of the United States. So you can see right here, this is just our Climate Prediction Center. This is the thing that's telling us who will get above average and who will get below average. So we're expecting above average temperatures over here, as we have that high pressure system over there. And then we got this, cold below average temperature area over here. So again, mainly the east part of the United States is going to continue feeling cold, even down here in Florida. But let's just hope that this warmth continues to move east, because I'm sick of the cold. I don't know if you guys are, but I am. And if we fast forward this even more, it does look like some of this warm air starts going over there into Indiana. And yeah, then we could actually start seeing above average temperatures within this whole area for within 8 to 14 days out on the 8 to 14 day outlook. And then we could actually start seeing cold air develop around California. So yeah. Now, there is going to be a chance for severe weather in the future. So, like, with some of these winter storms that we could have a squall line attached to them, and with a potential to possibly cause some severe weather. Like this thunderstorm that we're expecting down here. It's not expected to cause any severe weather, but it could soak parts of the Gulf Coast and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's what's going on with that. But you can really see if you fast forward it, you can see some of the risk that we could see with severe weather with some of these storms, even with this storm especially. And this is I don't think this is going to happen, but we could have some severe weather in this area if we keep seeing signs of a winter storm with severe weather attached to it. So that's what's going on right now. Parts of Florida, you guys have a rip current statement, so be aware for rip currents, and we also have high surf advisory out there. We also got some special weather statements in parts of North Carolina because of the remaining snow and ice. And winter weather advisories continue for northern Kentucky, northern West Virginia, southeastern Indiana, and southern Ohio. These winter weather advisories are for the winter system that's coming, so plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Slow down and use caution while traveling. So that's what's going on. We also got a special weather statement for Columbus and Fort Wayne. So the Columbus special weather statement will be for light snow, and the Fort Wayne special weather statement will be for a band of snowfall that could reduce visibility. So please rely on your local National Weather Service for your alerts, because these alerts might not be there by the time you're watching my video. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. So be prepared down here for some thunderstorms to develop later. No severe weather is expected at this time, but if there is a marginal risk issued, I will be uploading another video. But we are expecting just some rain down here. So thank you guys for watching. That's about it for today's weather forecast, and I will see you guys in the next weather update video. And this is the tornado season preparedness tips, so make sure to be prepared for tornado season, as it's coming up here pretty soon. Spring is tornado season, so that's the time which most tornadoes happen. So be prepared for tornado season, and I will see you in the next video. It's not tornado season yet, okay? It's not tornado season yet. And also, guys, how are you guys liking the new setup and stuff like that? Anyways, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. I will probably be uploading another video tomorrow. Bye.